Hello, and welcome to the Ontario Council for Technology Education's Specialist High Skills Major Certification for Infection Control and PPE Awareness. My name is Julie Johnston, and I'm a Specialist High Skills Major Special Assignment Teacher for the Hamilton-Wentworth District School Board. I collaborated on this certification with Tracy Bichon from the Key Wayton Patricia District School Board, where she is also a Specialist High Skills Major Special Assignment Teacher. Tracy and I would like to acknowledge the work of James Patterson from St. John Ambulance, who worked in partnership with us on creating this certification. I'd like to draw your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you will see an index and all of the various modules and resources included in this certification. We're going to start with the index. This training is related to infection control and personal protective equipment, and it consists of 4 modules and should take approximately 2 hours to complete. There are assessment suggestions for each module at the conclusion of training. Each module will contain some very basic vocabulary, PDFs, and video links. Here you will see links to all of the various modules. We're going to start with Module 1. In this module, students will learn that microorganisms are always present in the environment and can be transferred from one person to another quite easily. This module will focus on infection risk, including how infections spread and breaking the chain. Students move forward by clicking Next Page at the bottom of each page. Here they will learn about the chain of infection, they will get some vocabulary, they will see some videos, and they will also see some graphics. They will learn about breaking the chain. They will learn about infection risk. They will watch a TED Ed video about the coronavirus, and they will learn more about breaking the chain of transmission and accessing reliable information. In Module 2, students will learn about the types of transmission. It's very important to learn about what infections can be transmitted, but how that infection can be spread so we can protect ourselves from illness. Students will see some images. Students will learn about types of transmission. They will watch Public Health Ontario video. They will learn about respiratory etiquette and also watch a video about respiratory etiquette. They will learn about modes of transmission. They will also have the opportunity to walk through a slide deck of a student using glow germ gel and seeing how the gel is still there even after washing your hands. They will also have the opportunity to see a student using glow germ powder and how that powder, just like an infection, once on your hands, spreads quite easily to many surfaces and remains there after contact. In Module 3, students will learn about reducing transmission. This module will focus on the importance of controls in the workplace to reduce transmission and control the spread of infection. Students will learn about hand washing. They will see a video from Public Health about hand washing, learning about the difference between soap and hand sanitizer. They will also learn about workplace controls, changing how work is done, distant measuring, barriers. They'll have opportunity again to watch another video, and they'll learn about fabric masks. In Module 4, students will learn about PPE. Personal protective equipment is a regular part of many workplace environments and a necessary part of others during a health crisis, pandemic, or emergency situation. Learning about PPE and its uses will help protect you in a variety of environments where you may be exposed to possible infections. Students will have the opportunity to see PPE donned in various work environments, learn what PPE is, and they will learn about various types of PPE such as gloves, face and eye protection, and clothing and gowns, and watch a video from Public Health about PPE. In the next section, they're going to learn about the use of PPE. Again, we're going back to gloves, mask and eye protection, and putting on gowns, and talking about the use of those as PPE, the removal of personal protective equipment, proper glove removal, videos from the Government of Canada, eye and face protection, again a video from the Government of Canada, and proper gown removal. It's a video from about donning and doffing from Trillium Health Partners. Then students move on to the assessment, where teachers are encouraged to decide which assessments are suited for their students. All assessments are attached to individual modules and can be completed in their entirety, or teachers may choose to exclude certain assessments based on their students' needs. Students may need to submit all completed assessment work to their teacher to determine if they've met the requirements of the Infection Control and Personal Protective Awareness certification. Here you will see the assessment for Module 1. Assessment for Module 2 involves watching a TED Talk video as well as doing some work. Module 3 again involves a video. and Module 4 involves an activity. Finally, we'll find some additional resources here from the World Health Organization, posters students may be familiar with, and also encouraging students, if they want to further their infection control education, to go to St. John Ambulance. Finally, students will see a congratulations screen that they've completed their infection control and personal protective equipment awareness certification. Thank you for walking through infection control and PPE awareness and OCTI resource.